there, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video that I saw on YouTube from Suzelle DIY. I'll link the original of hers in the description block below, where she did a stand for her camera for when you're trying to do things, when you need the camera to point down on whatever you're doing on the table, because I often have a problem with that when I'm doing DIY stuff. Of where to put the camera and how to put the camera stand doesn't always work very nicely. So when I saw her do this, I said I really want to try it for me because I struggle with it as well. So I thought I'd let you also see what I do in case you haven't seen hers, and you might also want to know how to do one and you're struggling with the same thing. So I thought I'd let you come along. I'll show you now what you need. So firstly, you're going to need a drill. This one is from Ryobi. It's just a little one, and you're going to need a screw that fits into the bottom of one of these phone stands, and a bolt that fits the screw. You need some of these, the corners of a PVC piping, so there's 3 of those that you need. You need 2 of these, but now when I went to go and buy the stuff, there wasn't 2 of them, there was only the one, and then this one. So I've bought this one to go, it's a little bit fancier than this one. Then you'll need I bought a 4-meter long pipe, and then I've measured it and cut it up, and well, my husband did that for me. And I've got 10 centimeters and 2 30, so it's 10 centimeters, 2 30 centimeter sizes, and 3 45 centimeters. And I will then show you what you need to do with it. As you can see with the camera angle at the moment, it's not the best, so that's why I'd like to do something like this. So first of all, I'm going to take the drill and make a hole for the screw to go through. The hole needs to be over here, so that the camera can stand this way. So I'm just going to mark it quickly. Okay, and then I'm going to drill it. Now you can take the screw and put it through and put the bolt on. Okay, so we've got the 2 sides like this that are the 45 centimeter ones, and you put the little corner attachments on. Then we have a 30 centimeter one, which goes in there, and then you put this one on, another 30 centimeter one, and then it goes on to the end over there. Okay, make sure it's all flat and straight. Then you take the other 45 centimeter one and you put it on the up one, and you take another corner, you take your 10 centimeter one and you put it over here, and then you take this one and you put it over here. Like that. And now you can take your little phone holder and just screw it onto the end here. And now you've got your stand. change you from that camera stand to this one so that I can show you what it looks like when it's done. This is what it looks like when you want to look at something from the top view or do a craft from the top. Then at least it's nice and close to what you want to do. People can see it properly and you don't have to worry about it. Let's see if I do. See, if you're doing something from the top, you'll be able to see everything that I'm doing, which is wonderful, because sometimes camera is just the way you put the camera doesn't always work. So that's the video finished. I hope that it was helpful so that you can also get to do your own videos and have them look nice and be at the right angle, because it's such a pain trying to get the cameras right or the camera stands right. If you did like the video, if you can please give it a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed already, if you can please do so and click the subscription block below. It shows support for my channel. And then also, if you look in the description block below, you will see all of my social media, including my blog and my Patreon account, which is where you'll find more content from me. And also on my Patreon account, it's the best place for you to support what I do on this channel, as well as what I do on my blog. I hope that you are staying safe and that you're staying healthy, and I hope that you have a lovely day further. Enjoy your moments. Goodbye.